In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Royal Mail with Shopify. If you're looking to simplify your shipping process and offer your customers a reliable delivery service, then this guide will show you how to smoothly connect Royal Mail to your Shopify store. Let's dive into it. First, let's start by installing the Royal Mail Click and Drop app from the Shopify App Store. The Click and Drop service is an invaluable tool for many businesses using the Royal Mail system, allowing you to automate and streamline your shipping tasks right from your Shopify dashboard. To get started, head over to the Shopify App Store on your browser. You can easily search for Royal Mail Click and Drop using the search bar and locate the app in the results. Once you find it, click on it to access the app's page. Here, you should see an option to install the app. Click Add App to initiate the installation process. Once the app has been added, you'll need to complete the authorization of your Shopify store with the Click and Drop service. This might involve logging into your Shopify account, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Let the app guide you as it requires specific permissions to function correctly with your store's data. When the setup asks for authorization, give it the necessary permissions to ensure it integrates properly with Shopify. Authorizing is key for the app to sync your orders and manage your shipping labels. After you've successfully installed the app, you'll want to configure it to match your business needs. From there, you can access your Royal Mail Click and Drop account directly through the newly installed app. Should you not have a Click and Drop account already, this would be a good time to create one. It's a straightforward process that the app will guide you through, and please remember to keep all your credentials secure. Within the app, you'll have the option to link your existing Shopify orders to your Click and Drop account, allowing the system to automatically pull in new orders as they happen. Lastly, venture through the app settings to finalize any preferences you need, such as setting shipping rates or package sizes. Tailor these settings to fit your products and sales strategy. You may need to enter your Royal Mail business account details to enable certain services, or add a credit card for postage purchases. The app provides a lot of flexibility, so take your time to explore and adjust everything accordingly. Integrating Royal Mail with Shopify can significantly streamline fulfilling orders, making this app a vital part of your e-commerce toolbox. After following these steps, you should be set up and ready to go, offering reliable and efficient shipping options to your customers. Remember, a seamless shipping process contributes greatly to customer satisfaction, so take pride in offering a top-notch service. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!